Hey guys, it's Sammy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are on day 5 of the July workout challenge. If you're wondering what happened to day 4, every Sunday is actually a rest day because I truly believe that having a rest day is awesome to not just like your physical well-being, but also your kind of mental side as well. So we are going to go ahead and get started on day 5's workout. If you have not yet printed out a copy of the July workout challenge, make sure that you get that done. Just click the link in the description below. It is a completely free workout challenge for you to do. The first thing on today's workout is going to be a 5-minute session of either being on the jump rope, or if you don't have a jump rope, you can also do jumping jacks as well. So if you have a jump rope, go ahead and grab that. If you're not good at it, don't stress. I haven't done jump rope in like a couple years, so I probably won't be either, but we will get through it together. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so we are just going to get started on our 5-minute jump rope workout. So pretty much what you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to focus on small jumps. So don't try and make them too high off the ground, but just small little jumps staying in a rhythm that you can keep up with. You are free to change up the rhythm as we go on through the 5 minutes. That does help to kind of mix it up. So I used to actually do a lot of jump rope workouts. Now I haven't been doing them for the past couple years, so I am definitely a little rusty. You will see in a little bit I am going to start tripping on the jump rope quite a bit. So if that's you, if you are doing the jump rope and you start tripping and hitting your toes, don't stress, it's okay. We will get back to it and we will start getting better, so just keep at it. So just step over it and reset and then just keep on going. Doesn't matter how many times you trip over it, the point is we are going to keep going through the whole time. If you do want to do different jump rope workouts, feel free to check them out on YouTube. There are a ton, and it is nice if you can do like interval training with your jump rope as well. Sometimes what I used to like to do was just take it easy for a few seconds and then really push it hard and do like jump rope sprints. But it is completely up to you what you want to do. I would just say stay light on your feet and just do something that's making you comfortable. We are almost halfway done, and as you can see, here's the point where I start definitely tripping a little bit more just over and over again, but that's okay guys, we're just gonna keep on going. All we're looking for is progress, not perfection. So quick tip, just make sure that you're focusing on your breath and just keeping a good rhythm the whole entire time. Like I said, it doesn't matter how many times you have to start over, just pick it up and keep on going. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, we're just focused on our jump rope. We have a couple more minutes, so keep on going. We are almost done with the first part of the challenge. You guys got this, let's do it. Tripping over this jump rope like crazy. This is because I am no longer used to jump rope or any kind of exercise really, so this type of exercise is really pushing me and my arms are getting tired, my rhythm's getting all out of sync. So this is a really good exercise to just try and push through. The more you do it, the better you get at it, just like with most things. So just keep at it. If you're struggling like me, or maybe you're a pro and you already got it down, but doesn't matter. I'm gonna be keeping all of my mess ups in here because guys, we are on this journey together. You guys are trying to stick to this challenge. I am trying to stick to this challenge. Together, we can do this. So just take a deep breath, reset when you need to, and just keep at it. You guys got it. Okay guys, luckily we finished the jump rope part of the workout because as you saw, I clearly struggled with that. But don't worry, every week will make us just a little bit better, so if you struggled as well, we will all improve by the end of the 30-day challenge. So, for the next part of the workout, we are going to be doing cone drills. And for cone drills, if you don't have cones, don't worry, I'm literally using just like punching gloves as my cones. So whatever you have, just something basically that will show you like one starting point, one ending point, or like little obstacles. Just kind of depends on the drill. Only thing that I do warn you about, just make sure that you're not going to get hurt or trip on them, so just be wary of that. So let me go ahead and start showing you each one of these cone drills. So the first one, you're going to have one cone at one end and one at the other end. And all you're going to do is you're going to run forward to the first cone, then you're going to run forward to the back cone, and then fighting stance, you're going to do roundhouse kicks all the way over back to the first cone. Okay, if you have more room, we can fit more in. And then on the way back, all you're going to do is slide back, kick, slide back, kick, slide back, kick, slide back, kick, all the way until you are back to your first cone. Okay, I'll go ahead and I'll show you those, and we are going to be doing each of these 5 times because they are 5 cone drills. 5 times each is going to get us a great workout. So let's go ahead and get started with this first one. Time for line drill number 2. So for this one, we're going to keep your cones exactly where they are. This time, you're going to start right in the center. All you're going to do is you're going to do a side shuffle over to one cone, side shuffle over to the other cone, shuffle back to the middle, fighting stance. Now this time, we're going to do roundhouse kicks going to the camera. So 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way forward, and then going back, we're just going to be doing potted choggies. So over here, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, if you have room, 4, okay? So that's gonna be a sliding back roundhouse kick, but this time it's not slide back then roundhouse kick, it's sliding back and doing the roundhouse kick at the same time. And guys, for all of these drills, you guys know your body best, so if you feel like this is too hard of a challenge and you need to take it a little easier, just either do like a couple of these and then see how you feel. You don't have to do as many as I'm doing. It's really up to whatever challenges you and your body. And the other way, if you feel like that's too easy, then go ahead and level it up a little bit. Either do more, time yourself, or just make it a little harder, whichever way you think you can. All right, now let's go ahead and get started with cone drill number 2. Okay, so for cone drill number 3, we're actually gonna level it out, make it a little bit easier, and I am grabbing some additional cones. All I'm gonna be doing is putting them here in between. We are just gonna be starting off on one side like this, and we're just gonna be doing a simple zigzag all the way down to the end, just trying to keep it, take it easy. If you want, on the way back, you can do a backward zigzag. Like I said, don't trip, don't get hurt, we don't want any injuries. And let's just do that. I'm gonna be doing it 5 times this time. let's go ahead and get started. You're gonna be starting off at one end, and all you're gonna be doing is keeping your leg up in the air like this. Nice and high chamber, so if you needed to, you could throw out a kick, but you're just holding the chamber, okay? From here, we're just gonna be holding it all the way down to one side. From here, switch to the other side, all the way down to the other side. And that is one. Let's go and do that 5 times is what I'm doing. Okay, time for the last cone drill. So for cone drill number 5, all you're gonna be doing, you can start over at one end. You're gonna start over at this end and you're gonna shuffle over to one end. Over here, we're just gonna do 5 hops just back and forth. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then shuffle back over to the other one. Same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't trip on your cone, just like I said. All right, let's go ahead and do that a few times. All right, guys, I don't know about you, but I'm starting to feel a little sweaty. Could also be because there is no AC in this room. Just a fun fact. So for the next part of the workout, we are gonna be doing 25 bag kicks. Now, if you don't have a kicking bag, don't stress, just do them in the air. I have a kicking bag, so I'm gonna bring mine out, and we're just gonna do any 25 kicks that you wanna do. Doesn't have to be in any specific time frame, just do any 25 kicks you feel like doing. Ready? Let's go. There. Don't give up now. We just have one more drill and then we are good for today. So for the last one, all we're going to be doing is 25 in and out crescent kicks. So with one leg, I'm going to go inside crescent, outside crescent, and then the other leg inside crescent, outside crescent. That is 1, and we are going to do 10, and then that is all. So just keep holding on. We just have a little bit more to go, and then you're done with today's challenge. Good job, guys. I'm so proud of you so far. Guys, that was it for today's workout. Awesome job of getting that completed. If you are motivated and you feel like continuing your workout, feel free to check out any of the follow along workouts on the Live Martial Arts site. Just so you know, for the entire month of July, all courses are 25% off just because we are doing this challenge and I want to help get everybody back to their goals and working out. We also have some pretty just low price $9 follow along workouts. So if you guys want to check those out, I will leave everything everything linked in the description below. But you can also find them on livemartialartstraining.com. Also, make sure that you guys are following along for more motivation and training tips on the LMA Workout Challenge Facebook group and the Instagram at Live Martial Arts. And I will see you guys all in our next video tomorrow. Have an awesome week of training, guys. Bye.